People with short hair have always felt left out, especially when it comes to braiding. But today I'm going to take you through a tutorial to show you how to do this hair. The middle part was more of the short part, and therefore we are going to start by braiding the back as usual. That is what I do for my crochet braids, usually to protect the back part of the hair. For this style, we're going to do it differently. We are going to braid down, braids all the way down, and then just braid all of them down. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do to the parts that we don't have hair. So we're just trying to move across. We'd move down and then do across. But now for the part that we don't have hair, we are going to braid it down and add more braiding hair. But as we braid down, we're going to do some leave out, that is to form some attachment for the next braid. And when you reach the part that there is no hair, the reason why we are adding more braiding hair is this one is going to act like an anchor for the part that doesn't have hair. So what you do, you're just going to braid it down. You don't have to have hair at that part, but this one is going to be a continuation to the part that there is no hair. She had very short hair around this area, I think you can see from this video, and therefore I was able to leave out some hair the way I'm leaving them out and just to braid them down. So that's what you're going to do. Remember, we want to form like a mesh for us to find a foundation where we are going to do our crochet hair. So this is our base. It's very strong, and I can assure you that this hair is going to take long compared to the way when I did it first, where it took only 2 weeks and they were coming out. And so for now, for the base part, the upper part where there is no hair, some people do use mesh, and for me I used this style of leaving out some braids, as you could see from the previous part of the video. Now it's up to you to use what you prefer. It's all about preference. This is how I prefer doing mine. So that is what we have at the back. At the back, you don't want to put so much hair because you also don't want it to be so much heavy. And you see how much strong the base is when we did the continuation and the attachment of other braids. So you're just going to make sure that you have, I would say, a lot of braids on top here, just to make sure that you cover the whole place well. And when I did some half of it, I tried to pull it back, and I could see that the hair was more covered. The middle part of the head was more covered, and nobody could see the gaps, the part that didn't have hair. And yeah, that is the final look. Look at how the back is. It was so full in her hair. I loved it so much. Look at how the middle part is also well covered.